Hello, my name is Greg Palliot. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what's the ballpark cost to restore a commercial metal roof. So maybe the first thing you might be asking is, why restore it? Can you just rip it all off, put a new metal roof on there? Well, a new metal roof will likely cost $15 to $25 per square foot, and restoration will likely cost between $3 and $10 per square foot. So again, the minimum half price. So that's why you should look into restoration. And really there's two options. The first option is to install a silicone roof coating system. Those usually cost between $3 and $7 per square foot. And option two is to install a spray polyurethane foam in coating roof, which likely costs between $5 and $10 per square foot. I know I wanted to give you more direct cost than that, tell you it's $6 for that and $4 for that, but there's so many variables with roofing projects, it's just impossible to do that. But I'm going to read off a couple of variables that kind of influence the price one way or another. Hopefully you can take these into account. That way you can have a more focused area of pricing and what you can expect. So the first variable is the type of repair. Like I said, a coating system on its own is a lot cheaper than a spray foam and coating system. So that's a big difference in cost right there. Definitely a lot of benefits with the spray foam system that you can read on the internet about that, but huge difference in cost right there. Second thing is the distance from the roofing contractor. We'd all love to have somebody right across the street from us. That way there's no driving time, no gas costs, no transportation of materials costs, whatever it might be. Obviously it's more cheaper if someone's right next door than if you're driving a state over. Now we've been in a company for 40 plus years. We drive over multiple states to do these projects all the time. And there's a reason why. We're approved applicators of certain manufacturer coatings. We have bonding. We've been around for 40 years. We're going to be around for the warranty. We've done hundreds of thousands of roofs like this. We have experienced applicators, whatever it might be. But if someone doesn't have a lot of those things, it just brings the trustworthy of the job being performed well kind of minimized if they don't have any of that stuff. So there's a reason why people hire contractors out of state. The roof's got to be done right. That should be the quality install should be the most important thing. So, but obviously if someone's farther away than someone else, they might cost a little bit more. Next thing is job extras, job details, things like drains, gutters, perimeter edging, downspouts. Those all cost extra as part of a project. But maybe your job is considered a steep slope. I'm not sure what the exact 5 over 12 degree is to consider steep slope, but if the job requires a man lift, crane, those might add to your project's cost as opposed to a more flatter metal roof that doesn't need those. Next thing is the amount of damaged metal on the roof. Some of the metal might be too far gone to be restored. Those need to be removed and replaced. Obviously those just add to the project costs. If it's a roof that nothing needs to be done versus a roof that 10% needs to be done, huge difference in cost there. Next thing is warranty length. This goes for both the silicone system and the spray foam system. The thickness of the material is what determines the warranty. So for a quick example, for a 20-year warranty on a coating system, 30 mil thickness of product will go down. Now, if you wanted only a 10-year warranty, a 20 mil thickness of product goes down. So less material, less warranty length. But the longer that warranty is, the more materials used, the higher the cost. And then the last thing is the raw material prices. We buy material from a bunch of different manufacturers out there, but stuff with supply chain issues, labor shortages, just the economy in general, greatly influences what the cost to buy these products are. They've definitely gone up the last couple of years, but doesn't mean they won't come back down or they'll stay the same at all. It's something that contractors can't control, but it's something that can influence the cost of your roofing project. Those are the variables right there. If you want to learn more about each of those points, I'll put a link in the description to the full blog post. But hopefully you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.